Hi, this is the final report, and in this report, I'm going to tell you about a summary of the last 5 week activities and what I've done for that time. And at the last 2 weeks, I had to make the artifacts related to the project, the creating the architecture diagrams, and I passed it to my supervisor, and he accepted it, and said, "Yeah, it was well done." And I'm going to show you. And also, there was the evaluation of our rack model, and we passed it to our consumer, and he approved it, and the model performance was good. And about meeting flow development, it was successfully done, and the S3 migrator that I made is working well, and people are using it to transcribe the videos from their Google Drive, and it works well. And the last 2 weeks, I had to make the, the artifacts related to the project, and it should contain the information how the flow should go, and the architecture diagram that show how the flow works. And in the next part, I'm going to show it. The result of creating the artifacts. As you can see here, all of the artifacts are generated. It's called AVD, Scope of Work and Estimate, and it also contains the container view and diagrams and other diagrams. But I cannot show you the content inside Scope of Work and AVD and Estimate, since it's the private information. But at least I can show you the diagram that I created and why I created it. So the project is about getting the audio files from the consumer, and it should be transcribed, and after transcribation our model should extract the needed entities from the text and send it back to the user. Here are the configuration steps of how the flow works. For example, it upload a file and trigger the queue. After there is the orchestration of the code and transcription of the model of the audio through the Whisper model, and after that we send the transcription text to the Anthropic model and extract the text, and we save them as a JSON file and send it back to our user. So this is how our flow works. Actually, you can see here the icon showed CloudWatch. It's used to track the logs of all the action made in our workflow. So that's all that I made for the last 2 weeks, and about the last 5 weeks I told at the first part. Thank you for the attention.